Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will talk about Nigerians and Binance, how Binance is scamming Nigerians. People think Nigerians are scammers, but Binance is scamming Nigerians. So before we dive into the full story, we observe a rule on this channel. We smash the like button, we smash the subscribe button before we blink our eyes. So like this video and let's get started with the gist. It's no doubt that Nigeria and Bitcoin are like 5 and 6. They are twin sisters, twin brothers. Since the inception of Bitcoin in 2008, it has made wide noise and big news in Nigeria. In fact, Nigeria is the 6th leading country in crypto adoption, according to a study that was done by Chain Analysis in 2021, which means that Nigeria is among the top countries that have embraced the love of Bitcoin. Nigeria loves Bitcoin so much that even the government is scared of what it can lead to. That's why in 2021, the federal government of Nigeria, through the Central Bank of Nigeria, placed a ban on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Banks and financial institutions are not allowed to deal with customers when it comes to anything related to cryptocurrencies. But trust Nigerians, we are smart. We look for ways to devise means in order to get what we want. And that's why Nigerians are using P2P trading on Binance to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Nigerians, being smart as they are trading cryptocurrencies as if nothing has happened. In fact, in 2017, Nigerians spent about $1.3 million in a day trading cryptocurrencies on Binance. But as of today, guess how much they're spending? $200 million trading cryptocurrencies. For you to know that Nigerians are not joking when it comes to cryptocurrencies on Binance. As good as Nigerians have been to Binance, Binance have not been good to Nigerians. They are banning accounts in Nigeria the way EFCC like to chase bad boys in Nigeria. As of now, they have banned about 281 accounts in Nigeria. Why would they pick Nigeria of all countries in the world? Why us? Must it always be us? They will single us out because they think they can. That's why Nigerians could not take it this time around, but went on Twitter to start ranting that, hey, stop scamming us. Binance, if you do not stop scamming us, we will exit from your platform. In fact, the tweets are so interesting that I have to show you one of them that was done by King Young Joe. Your account has been suspended permanently. After careful revealing from our team, the decision is final and cannot be changed. The funds will be blocked along with the suspension. Repeatedly engaging the matter, your account being suspended might lead your chat terminated. Thank you. Can you just imagine that? They did not just block the account, but they are freezing people's money. It's only Nigerian government that love to do that. Binance has replaced Nigerian government by freezing account and holding people's money. Nigeria kept ranting and ranting and ranting, like this time around, we are not taking it. In fact, they continued until the CEO of Binance had to respond to the issue personally. The summary of what he's saying that I'm posting on the screen is that they have to follow rules and regulation, ensure that people are not using the platform for criminal and illegal activities. That out of 281 accounts that have been blocked, about 38%, which represent 106, were asked to be banned by international law enforcement. So as of that, he can do nothing about it since it's international. Also, he said that they have resolved about 79 cases of this matter, and they will hire more customer service in order to resolve this issue so that Nigerians will no longer experience the problem. You know, I like doing mathematics, so it means that about 96 accounts are still frozen as of the time of making this video. When will it be resolved? Binance, Nigerians are still asking, but we are hoping that the case will be resolved as soon as possible. But how will you know when the cases are resolved or when the matter get complicated if you are not subscribed to my channel? So subscribe to my channel now and like this video for more gist. Don't you like gist? Smash the like button. This is gist.com on cryptocurrencies. So if you don't understand anything about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, the fundamentals, this video I'm showing you here will lead you to understand Bitcoin for beginners. It will give you the full story of Bitcoin in a simple, smart, sweet, what other S should I add for you to know that it will give you what you're looking for.